is 7:15 in the morning. I got the same gear I had with me yesterday. The reason I'm down here is because I left my drone down here. It kept me up all night worrying about this thing. I got it in a good waterproof case, but we got a nice little layer of frost last night. I'm sure it's fine. I'm gonna go dig ginseng here in a little bit, but I figured I might as well try to sneak a couple casts in. Smallmouth, man. I usually don't catch too many out of here. Good morning, bud. Man, you're chilly. Getting pale. See you, man. I'm right down in front of my parents' house where I missed that good bite the other day. Just came down here with this buzz bait and see if I can strike up a bite. Look at this mess, y'all. This is one of them ones that you don't recover from. Well, we had to come back to the car. Had a serious backlash. Time to put some new line on. What's up, YouTube? Might just be part 2 to this morning's little fishing excursion, but yeah, man, just got done digging some roots, helped my dad cut some wood. Today we're going to be going downstream. A lot of the underbrush has died off and I'm actually able to get down to the creek going that way. As usual, I just got my one pole, got a couple buzz baits, some spinner baits, and we're going to try to make some last second magic happen. It's 5 o'clock. Should get a few good hours in, y'all. Let's see if the bites change. You never know. So wish me luck. All right, out here fishing with me and my friend today. My best friend. Super cool dude right there. And just strolling down the road. Check these guys out. Oh, look at that little guy. All right, off the road here, down to the creek. Gotta walk down a little farther. Came out right where people can drive across. All right, we got a nice walk on our hands now. Beautiful country. Let's see what we can catch. Knocker, knocker, knocker. These fish might get fish down here. People do come down here. Like I said, this little hole right here probably sees its fair share of lures. This water is freezing. It got into the 30s last night. This sucks. Man, this is cold. Kind of weird, no bites. I've walked a good little stretch of creek so far. This is like the third little hole I've walked in. We started out with the buzz bait, no bites. Then we switched to the spinner bait. I had a couple follows. The wind kind of died down. I tied back on the buzz bait. Sat down for about 5 minutes. So let's see if it works. Alright, now we're off the beaten path a little bit. The first couple holes, people can walk and fish real easy because they can drive their little razors and stuff down here in their Jeeps. But We're a good 4 holes up, 5 holes up now. Freaking tank. It's a tank, guys. Let's go, boys. Barely skin hooked. That's a tank. Pull and drag the whole way. Nice fish, dude. Oh, look at that smallmouth bass, guys. Man, I don't have my tripod or nothing. I know it's kind of crooked. But look at what a tank of a smallmouth bass this is, man. What a creek giant. Absolute creek giant. Let's go, boys. All right, I'm releasing it. I was going to get a measurement and a weight on it. It's a freaking tank, fellas. A tank. That's 2.5 easy. See you, girl. That smallmouth will make any trip worth it. I'm still zooted after that. All right, I've walked a long way so far. I'm getting to some familiar territory. Now, this stretch of creek that I'm fishing right now, this is all new to me. I've never fished this before. But I'm getting close to a hole that I really enjoy fishing. This is the reason why I came this way, because I knew I could stop by right here. And it's like the next hole up. Super, super nice, deep water. I have a feeling we're going to catch another good one up here. But regardless, this trip's already made with that nice big fish we just caught. Appreciate y'all watching, man. Here we are. I always catch them right here, just closest into the riffles too. Promise you guys, we're going to catch a few fish out of here, maybe a limit. Good fish. Nice football. Yes, sir. Man, these guys are munching. Look at the girth on this bass. Check her out, man. She's a thickie. Man, these fish are munching. All right, spot is officially blown. Our presence is felt. See you, mama. Thick smallmouth, man. I love catching them like that. Look at that fish, man. Another fatty. These fish are so heavy. Check the size out on these fish though, man. So thick and heavy. This is bass number 3. Fish number 3. Smallmouth bass. See, bro? Oh, I had leaves wrapped around my buzzbait. Holy cannolis. Got that one. This one ain't near the size of the one I just had hooked though. Nice fish though. Man, we caught some good ones out of this hole. Another 1.5 pound fish, man. Another pounder. Yeah, I've caught some good smallmouth this year, fellas. Yeah, mama. See you. Okay, we've now reached the top of the hole. I kind of walked around. Thought it wouldn't spook any. And I can make casts from either direction. fish sent my buzz bait about 2 foot in the air. Yes, let's go. I believe that's number 5. That's number 4. That's number 4 out of this little skinny water right here. I mean, all these fish have had shoulders today, baby. Look at me, look how long he goes up my arm. Let's go. See, there was a bunch of bass up there too. That's how it works. You catch one of them, the rest of them take off. That's 4 out of this little hole. Oh, and I just missed number 5. Man, this little hole was on fire. I knew it would be. Hey, check that out. It's a pretty good sized coyote trap. Damn big for around here. Look where the beaver are coming out of the creek and going into old boy's corn. Demolishing this guy's corn. Look at this beat down path. What the? Yep, there's chewed up limbs everywhere. I'm not kidding you guys, there was something massive just followed us in. Check that bass out. There was a bigger one out there too. Look at that fish. Let's go. That's a tank. Man. Absolute monster. Man, what a way to close off a trip. This is another 2.5 pounder. Solid fish, man. I've had a heck of a day today, guys. This big girl is eating very, very well. About to let you go, mama. See ya. Calm down. I walked up creek just a little. I gotta get going, but I tied this spinnerbait on. Nice smallie. Another pounder, man. Just killing the big fish today. See that? Anyway, I believe that is lucky number 7. This fish jumped up and a bunch of minnows flung out of his mouth. These fish are eating like crazy. Fish number 8, little 1/2 pound smallmouth. See you, bro. That fish missed it 3 times and came back and got it. No wonder he was acting crazy. It's a legit largemouth bass. That's why he's acting so aggressive, man. Little largemouth, creek largemouth bass. There, bro. That fish swiped at the spinnerbait 3 times before he hit it. We got the October full moon. I believe they call this the harvest moon, if I'm not mistaken. And every year at this time, I just tear bass up, man. It's harvest full moon. Cannot beat this, man. This is the best fishing of the year, and I sure hope y'all got to get out and enjoy it like I did. If y'all would, make sure you hit that thumbs up, share me out. I'll catch y'all next time, man. Peace.